Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Menards. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser you prefer. And in the top section right over here, that is your URL section. Type down menards.com and enter it after you're done. And you'll get into an interface like this where you'll see the Menards official homepage. And we can see on the top right corner, right over here, that's a sign in option. Click over there and after that, you'll get two options. If you want to sign in, click over here. If you do not have an account, click over here. And you will able to create an account. And here we could see in order to sign in, we are required with our email address as well as our password. So simply type down your email and your password as well. Make sure you type down your correct password. And after that, click over here that says sign in. And then you'll be successfully logged into your Menards. But if you have forgotten your password or lost access to your password, you also have an option to recover or reset your password. In order to do that, click over here that says record your password and then you'll be able to recover it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.